what am I gonna do with all these products? So here we have a couple free things I received. I mean, well, pretty much all of this here, free Amazon stuff that I received to make videos of. These two things up here also. Yeah, a lot on my plate. Another day, another package. Oh, here we go. Oh, another one. Okay. So we got the True Drinks. Another box here. Probably have some sort of battery in it based on, you know, the battery sticker. Just 3 packages today. And the pile just keeps adding on. So 3 boxes today. This stuff from the other day here. And still got these 2 to work on. And those are the stuff that I actually purchased on Amazon. So a lot of things to go through. So I'm sitting here working on my 9 to 5 and just thinking about all the packages that I have sitting in the basement and all of the shoppable videos that I actually have to produce. Just finished my coffee. Okay, so I don't have a lot of time to work on things today, so I'm just going to organize what I have here in terms of like what came first, just so I could prioritize what needs to be done, what could be done, and like what videos could be done like really quickly, and what videos will take a little longer and specific scenarios. For example, these pans here, I'm actually gonna have to cook something to actually demonstrate how they're used. So let's unbox some stuff. So I usually dedicate like anywhere between half an hour to an hour every day, Monday through Friday, trying to work something out on YouTube or do something for Amazon. So just going to be opening a bunch of boxes today. So the first item that I have here is going to be this power strip. So going to be a really quick, easy video to do. All I have to do is plug this into an outlet and then show how I'm using it, do a little bit of a close-up on its features, and yeah, very simple. Going to be a quick video to do. Next, I have this biotin shampoo and conditioner set. So what I'm probably going to do is basically just kind of hold it up and talk about what it does for you. I'm also going to be using this probably when I shower tonight, so going to be able to talk about this product tomorrow as soon as I open it. So yeah, full disclosure, I am receiving all of this product for free. And if you're wondering how I do that, then feel free to let me know in the comment section below and I can make a dedicated video about it. I made videos previously talking about how much I make from the Amazon Influencer Program. This is essentially how I'm getting all the products. Okay, opening this here. Okay, yep, here we have a container of biotin shampoo. Yep, all free products here. Just another disclaimer in case anyone is wondering. There we go. Another product that I'm going to be able to make really quickly, so looking forward to banging this one out. Next product, they actually sent me the wrong product. So I reached out to a brand and I was trying to get a Himalayan salt lamp, and they decided to send me this wine chiller. So I do not drink wine. I have some bottles of sparkling water that was not used when I purchased it probably a couple New Year's Eves ago, which I'll probably use to demonstrate this product, but ultimately I did not request this product. This was sent to me in error, but I'm just going to make a video about it anyways because it is sold on Amazon. I did receive this one for free as well, and I reached out to the brand, told them about the error, and they said they're going to send me the lamp. So looking forward to actually receiving that, but yeah, definitely going to be getting rid of this as soon as the video is complete. Another product that's going to be really easy to make a video for. Next product here is a case for the iPhone 16. What is this? Yeah, I have the iPhone 16 Pro. I just got this phone. I'm not even sure what model it is, but going to be a little bit more of a challenging video because I'm going to have to actually take my phone out of its current case, put it in this case, and have something else to actually record the video. So that should be a little bit interesting, but either way, it's going to be a pretty easy video. Just putting my phone in the case and then just displaying the case. So also received this product for free. And then as you saw down there is these pans. They came with the lid. Received this for free. And like I said, this is going to be a little bit of a longer video for this because I actually have to be using these to cook, so going to be a little bit more time consuming. And also I had to wait for the right situation to make this video. Next product I received is this bladeless neck fan. So I'm actually looking forward to reviewing this. This is something I wanted to kind of get for myself a couple of summers ago, and Solid Brand was doing a campaign about this product. So I was like, oh, why not reach out to this brand to see if I could make a shoppable video for them. So they sent me this for free, and I'm going to be creating a shoppable video for it. All I have to do basically is just going to be wearing it, maybe some close-ups on different buttons on it, but going to be another easy product that I can review. Next item here, what do I have here? So it's going to be some clothing, another really easy product that I could do. All I have to do is demo me wearing it, and yeah, pretty much all there is to say about that. Next is going to be this wireless lavalier microphone, and it's actually going to be really good because it's going to be able to connect to my phone, and theoretically it's going to be increasing the audio quality of my videos. So I look forward to me actually using this one in future videos. I did receive this product for free in exchange for a shoppable video. The video for this is going to be a little bit harder to produce because I'm going to be giving like an example of what the audio sounds like before I actually use this microphone, audio that it provides after I plug it in and use it. So a little bit more in depth. Last product I have for today, which I'll have to actually produce it at some point this week because I do have a full-time 9-to-5 job and also a father of 2 kids, so my time is very limited. Okay, so the last product I received is this sample of sparkling beverage by True. So I've never actually tried this before, so I'm going to be doing a review, taste testing each and every one of these. It's going to be another pretty easy thing that I could do. Just going to be opening each can, probably going to be doing one of these a day, and then creating the shoppable video for it. Like I said, I received this product for free in exchange for a shoppable video. And it's also going to be really easy to produce. So yeah, that's everything that I currently have for today. This video is a little bit rushed because, like I said, I only actually had a few minutes to bang out these products and get it organized. My next day is probably going to be a shooting day, so I could include some of my shoppable videos at the very end of this one just to show you guys what the final product looks like. But if you guys are more curious about what it's like to be in the Amazon Influencer Program, feel free to let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. So full disclosure, I received this product for free in exchange for this video. So I work from home and I love this mug warmer. Let me show you guys how it works. So right there you have a circle of where you should place your mug if you want to keep it warm. And it's pretty simple. It has 2 buttons. It has a timer button and a power button. So it has a couple cycles. You just press the power button to turn it on. And this is the first option, 176 degrees. And then you just keep pressing it if you just want it to go down. Right now it's at 150. Keep pressing again, 130. And after a while, it actually turns off if you keep pressing it. Again, it just cycles through 1, 2, 3, 4 to turn it off. So I'm just gonna turn it on to the second option because that is my preferred temperature. And you could actually, once it's on, click on the timer button, and you can see I could have it on for 4 hours. I could have it on for 6 hours. I could have it on for 8 hours, have it on for 10 hours, or I could have it on for 12 hours. So I still have like half the workday left, so I'm just gonna have it on for 4 hours, and it's just gonna automatically turn off after the 4-hour mark. And if I actually finish my coffee by that point, then I could just manually turn it off with the power button. So I think it looks really nice. I'm bringing this up and down. Sometimes I have this in my home office, and sometimes I have it in my kitchen, which is super nice because I do have a couple kids and they're constantly distracting me from my coffee or my tea. So very nice to have this. You should definitely check it out.